Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at how we can create a monolithic stair with the diagonal threads using Revit. Here I have my Revit window. I click on this new. We have this new project dialog box where we can see the template file. The present one is current template. I click on this little arrow over here and I select this architectural template, and I click on this OK. Okay, First, I'm going to check my units. I type UN, that's for units, and you see 1235 mm. And I click over here and I change the units millimeter to centimeters. That's my preference. You can go with meter, centimeter, millimeter, or whichever you like. I click on this OK, and then I tap on this OK. Then I go to these elevations and I click on this east elevation, and we have our levels over here. The first one is level 1. I just rename it into uh, GFL, that stands for ground floor level, and I have this confirmation dialog box. Would you like to rename corresponding views? I type yes. Then I change the value 400 to 315. Okay. Now we have our levels all set. Then I go to the GFL ground floor level, and I start to draw a stair. We have this architectural menu, and we have this stair icon over here. I click on that. We get this assembly stair over here, but that's not what we want now. So I click on this little arrow over here. I go for this monolithic stair. I select it, and I scroll this window to a little bit down to see some details. We have this design number of steps 18, actual riser height 17.50, actual threads 27.50, but these are not the details that we want now. So I click this edit type, and first I duplicate this stair, monolithic stair 2. That's okay. Then maximum stair height, now it's 18. I put 15 there. Maximum thread depth 27.5. I put 30 there. Maximum run width 100. That's okay, it's fine. And I click on this okay. Then I go for this railing because we don't want railing. And now I click on this little arrow over here. I select this none, and I click on this okay. So let's start to draw stair. I click here, 300. Okay, this is our stair. Let me check the distance between the two flights. So I click on flight. Then I drag this grip to here, and I drag this grip to here. And you see the distance between these two flights is 160, which I don't want. I change it to 30. And I hit the enter key. Okay, that's fine. Now we have to draw diagonal steps over here. So I select this landing, and I click on this convert. Then I click on this edit sketch. First I remove this stair path, then these green arrows. I pick this line and draw my first diagonal step. It's here. Then I pick on this stair path and I draw a new one. Then I click on this green arrow. Here we have a dialog box. You just click on this unjoin elements. That's okay. Now I select my first diagonal step and I click on this mirror option, and I click here and I mirror this. Then I select the second diagonal thread and I click on this edit sketch. I select this edit sketch option. First I remove the stairs path, then this green arrow, then I draw a new one from this, and from this middle I draw another line to vertically upwards. Then I click this trim accent option and I create a new diagonal step. Now I click on the stair path and I draw a new one over here like this. Then I click on this finish exit mode green arrow. That's okay. Then I select both diagonal threads and I click on this mirror option. I click over here and I mirror the both. Then I select the third one and I select edit sketch option. I remove this stair path. I draw a new one like this, and then I click on this green arrow to finish the edit mode. Okay, that's okay. Then I select the fourth diagonal step and I go to edit sketch. I remove this stairs path. I pick on the stair path to draw a new one and I draw a new one. Then I hit the escape key and I hit the finish edit mode to finish it. Now we are all set. Now let's check the relative height. First I choose the first slide. Here we see the relative to 165 centimeter because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 into 11 into 15 is equal to 165. So that's okay. Then you check this. Here it is 165 again. That's not correct. So we add 15 plus 165. That's 180. So I put 180 here. Next, I select this. Again, 165 there. It's not correct. We add 30 to that. So 165 plus 30 is equal to 195. I put 195 here. Then I select this one. Here again we see 165, but that is correct. So we put 210 here. Apply. Then I select this one, the last one. Here again you see 165. That's not correct. So I put 225 there. Apply. Then I select this one. Here you see relative to 315. That's okay. That's our level. That's our top level. So we finished our stair. So let's click on this finish edit mode. It's our stair. Let's go to the default 3D view. Here it is. Let's go to the shaded option. Yeah, this is our stair. You see here, we take the orbit and you see this is our stair. You see here both of the flight slabs have the same depth, but the landing is a bit larger, which I think is a bit awkward. So let's change that. Let's see how we can change that. So you select the stair and you go to edit type and you see here front type 150 mm depth. Okay, but landing type 300 mm thickness, we have to change that. So click over here, first duplicate it and change it to 150, then tap OK, then change here 15, then tap OK, apply OK. Now you see it's all. Here we have a smooth undersurface appearance. If you want to give a floor plate like appearance, you can again select the tire, go to edit type, and you select front type. First you duplicate this. Okay. Here you see underside surface smooth. You give it to stepped and you click OK, apply OK. Now you see you have this folder type of appearance share. That's all this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.